Hey guys, Dave with First Place Auto Parts. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to talk about the number one question that we get in our tech center, and that is, how do I safely remove the shipping bends that come in my fuel and brake lines? Now, shipping bends are required on brake and fuel lines that are over 6 feet in length. And what we do is we put a gentle 180-degree radius bend in the line so that we can safely and efficiently package this line and get it to you in the shape it was designed to be in. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove this bend, and then you can install this line on your car just the way it was meant to be made. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the line facing the ends up with the bend at the bottom on a nice sturdy table. And what we're going to do is we don't want to try to bend from up here, we want to grab down low to where the bend is, just on either side of it. And we're going to push down and also flatten this line out as we're pushing. So just a nice steady pressure. It's always better to do too little than too much. We don't want to bend it too far the other way. So our first initial effort is just to get this thing as straight as possible, pushing down on the table. And there we go. We've already taken out the vast majority of this bend. Now we're going to work the rest of the bend out just gently on the edge of the table. We want to get this area just a little more straight because factory it was a straight piece here. So let's go ahead and we'll use the edge of the table to work this a little bit better. But for the most part, that's all that's required. It doesn't take a lot of effort. You don't have to be incredibly strong to do this. It's something that's totally doable by anybody who gets this line. Okay, so this line is pretty much the way it should be. We're going to do a little bit of tweaking, use the corner of the table here, and we don't want to push down too hard. Again, we're not trying to put this line in a reverse bend. We don't want to bend it past where it should be. So we're going to take the end of the table and just gently work it down in a downward pressure with this hand right here, holding it flat against the table with my other hand, my left hand, right to you. Just pushing it down gently. Metal has a memory, so we just want to just be gentle with it in regards to our pressure. And there we go. This line is ready to bolt on the car, minimal effort. Took me all of maybe a minute and a half to do it. So guys, you can do this, but it's something you're going to have to do when you get your long, especially your front to rear lines. They're going to come with a shipping bend, so it's something that's easy to do. Just take your time, don't apply too much pressure, don't over bend it, and you'll be fine. All right guys, thanks for watching today. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube, where we will continually be adding new how-to install videos, but also product review videos that may be a benefit to you when it comes time to either buying parts or installing them on your car. Until next time, keep the hammer down and keep it between the guardrails.